Okay. Folks, the truth is, it's not easy being a cop or a 911 operator, so to give an idea of what public workers go through on a daily basis, here are some actual security camera videos, police dash cam footage, and 911 calls that we've compiled for another edition of Dealing with the Public. Now, first up is a 911 call from a woman in she's one of these critical emergency situations. You know, this is where the fast thinking of a 911 operator can actually save a life. Here, listen to this emergency.
What's the emergency?
My car will not start. I'm locked inside my car. I cannot open my car. I can't get the windows down. Nothing electrical works. And it's getting very hot in here, and I'm not feeling well.
Are you able to pull the lock up on the door and open the door?
Okay. All right, I got that going. Okay.
So are you able to get out the car now?
Yeah, I got the door open.
Okay.
Okay, I'm fine. It's okay.
Let's do this. Of course. This begs the question, how did this woman get a license in the first place? Now, I've shown a lot of videos of police giving breathalyzer tests, but this is the first one we've ever gotten from Eastern Europe. Apparently, the whole breathalyzer thing is new over there, and they don't quite understand how it works. Watch this guy. Now, here's a police dash cam video that shows how good Samaritans can sometimes help police in the work. This is pretty scary. Now, here's a female officer trying to put cuffs on a suspect. No, she's kind of small. The guy's fighting with her. It gets really scary here. She's trying to cuff him. Look at this. He gets her gun. He gets the police officer's gun. This man comes along. Okay. He takes the gun away, holds the man until help arrives. But now here's another good Samaritan. Watch this. Now, watch this woman. This woman comes over and says, you know something? I am going to sit on this guy. Okay, there you go. That is the full weight of the law right there. Now, convenience stores are hotbeds of crime. Watch these geniuses, you know, plan your robbery. You know, try to plan your robbery. Watch these two morons. They've stolen some beer. Watch what happens here. Okay, they go in the store. They're running out of the store. Here we go. There you go. Look at this. Here they go. They've got the stolen beer. I'll get in the car. All right, take off, Bob. Take off. Yeah. Idiot. Oh, picks up what beer he can. Loses that beer. He got the cardboard. Next up, a 911 call from someone who's frantic because he's lost someone very near, very close to him. These are the most depressing, frightening kind of calls. Take a listen.
911 emergency?
Yes, I had a blonde woman nude in a white Mitsubishi, and somebody stole her.
What do you mean someone stole her, sir?
Somebody robbed her, took her, nude.
Okay.
Blonde.
You're telling me that this lady was stolen?
Yes.
Okay, sir, that's really not possible.
Oh, okay.
Have you been drinking or anything?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, bye-bye. Okay. I like the guy making you say, she's nude and blonde. Oh, my God, let's get everybody on this. Okay, now this next guy actually called to report that his car was stolen in front of a convenience store. Luckily, there was a security camera that captured what really happened. Okay, here he is. Pulls up. Gets out of his truck. Now, most truckers look back at their rig. Not this guy. Okay, here he goes. All right. Leaves it neutral, goes inside. Now watch where the truck goes. La, 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 la. Truck goes down the street, continues to go down the street. Back, hey! Hey, who stole my truck? And finally, being a police officer, you know, it's a tough job. Every now and then you meet a suspect, you know, you try to hold it together, but it's just so stupid, you can't help but laugh. Now, this woman apparently, you have to say that, allegedly had a little too much to drink. Take a look.
You will be administered a breath test to determine your blood alcohol content.
Yes, I will.
If you take the
Yes,
test,
I will.
if you take the test, you make sure to speak
Good looking mother.
have a physician qualified.
Good looking mother.
Reggie,
That's a good looking mother.
okay,
I love it. It's so beautiful to me. Y'all just don't understand nothing.
She's gonna tell you how to blow on this machine, okay?
I never blown that machine.
You're not gonna blow on it for me?
I'm not blowing on you, baby.
No, we can't do that.